Hello everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic. A few days ago, I ran into a really strange problem on one of my Windows 11 systems. I was sorting through some screenshots and when I double-clicked an image, absolutely nothing happened. The Photos app showed a loading circle for a second or two, then disappeared. I tried again. Same thing. I rebooted the PC. Still no luck, nothing worked. At first, I thought it was just my PC acting up, but after doing some research, I discovered that many Windows 11 users were reporting exactly the same issue after a recent photo app update. I'm going to show you the exact fixes that worked for me and many other users as well. Let's get started. Confirm the problem and install the latest Windows app SDK. Before changing anything, let's make sure we are dealing with the same issue. Open File Explorer, navigate to any folder containing images. Double-click a JPG, PNG or JPEG file. If the Photos app appears briefly and then closes without opening the image, continue with the fixes. After digging through user reports and Microsoft's documentation, I discovered that the issue is often related to the Windows app SDK. The Photos app relies on this component to run correctly. If the required SDK files are missing or outdated, the app may fail to launch entirely. Open your browser, visit the official Windows app SDK download page. Download the latest stable version available. Once downloaded, right-click the installer. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Wait for the installation to complete. This usually takes less than a minute. When finished, restart your computer. The step is important because Windows needs to load the new components after rebooting. After restarting, open File Explorer. Double-click any image. For many users, this is enough to bring the Photos app back to life. If the app still refuses to open, don't worry. The next fix is what finally solved the issue for me. Check which version of Photos you are running. Some Photos app versions appear to be more affected than others. Let's check your version first. Click Start, search for Photos, right-click Microsoft Photos. Select App Settings. Scroll down, look at Version. Make a note of the version number. Now close the window. Remove the current Photos app. Instead of repairing it again, we are going to completely remove it. Open Settings, navigate to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Microsoft Photos, click the three-dot menu, select Uninstall, confirm the uninstall. Wait for Windows to remove the application. Install the latest Photos package manually. This is the first step that fixed the problem on my machine. Instead of waiting for Microsoft Store updates, we are going to manually install the latest Photos package. Download the latest Photos package. If the app is already installed, you should see an update button instead. Allow Windows to download and install the latest version of the Microsoft Photos. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, click Open. Now try opening a JPG, PNG or any image file again. In many cases, the Photos app starts working immediately after updating to the latest package. Check for store updates. Even after reinstalling the Photos app, I recommend updating all Microsoft Store apps. Open Microsoft Store, check Library, select Get Updates. Allow Windows to download and install any available updates. Sometimes supporting components are updated alongside the Photos app. Repair the app. If the Photos app opens but feels slow or unstable, try repairing it. Open Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Search Photos. Click Advanced Options, then scroll down. Click Repair. Wait for the process to finish. If the issue persists, click Reset. Then test the application again. Why this problem happens? From what I have seen, this doesn't appear to be a traditional corruption issue. The problem seems to be related to how certain Photos app versions interact with Windows app SDK components. When those components become outdated, missing or incompatible, the Photos app can fail during startup. That's why many users find that repairing or resetting the app doesn't solve anything. The underlying dependency remains broken. Installing the latest SDK and Photos package usually resolves that mismatch. I know how frustrating this problem can be because I spent far longer troubleshooting it than I should have. The good news is that once I installed the updated Windows app SDK and manually installed the latest Photos package, everything started working normally again. Images opened instantly, no more spinning circle, no more silent crashes. If one of those fixes worked for you, let me know in the comments below. If you found this guide useful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Silicophilic. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next Windows 11 tutorial.